The Addictions Counseling Program is a 2-year career advancement program designed to prepare students for careers in the growing field of addictions counseling. Our curriculum provides the necessary theoretical coursework, hands-on instruction, and field experiences necessary to attain certification as a certified, supervised alcohol and drug counselor in the state of Maryland. Students who complete the 60 credit hours required will earn the Associate of Applied Science degree in addictions counseling. Incoming students already possessing degrees or required credits can also become certified in addictions counseling by completing this program. The Addictions Counseling Program consists of 11 core courses made up of 36 credit hours, including a 6 credit hour fieldwork experience. If enrolling as a full-time student, a degree can be completed in 2 years.
Everything I was taught in my program, I'm using now. It made me feel so much more prepared going into fieldwork and then going into a job because it definitely prepared me.
While graduates can begin working right away, they are also prepared for transfer to a 4-year institution to further studies in psychology, social work, or a related human services program. Fieldwork experiences provide students the opportunity to get a true look at the profession. Most importantly, fieldwork opportunities assist students in the transition of the role of a student to the role of a professional, while also helping students apply the skills necessary to meet the needs of their clients.
I did my field work at the Joseph S. Massey unit, which is in Cumberland. Anything they needed help with, I was willing to do. But I also got to sit in on a lot of sessions between the counselors and patients, which is where I got really a lot of my experience from.
Currently, fieldwork placements have been established at agencies in Allegheny County, Garrett County, and surrounding counties in West Virginia, with more on the way. This program has been awarded statewide and health manpower designation, which means that addictions counseling students pay in-county tuition rates. Whatever the reason, start your education at Garrett College and get your certification to go further with a career in addictions counseling. Garrett College, start here, go further.